Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to run an AI betting bot inside this computer. And let's use the price of Bitcoin, for example. So on the prediction market, there will be headlines like, will Bitcoin be above a certain price in 15 minutes? Bet yes or no. The AI will read the market data, live price, news, charts, all the information together to decide a yes or no bet. How much of that bet? 24/7. And it sends every action and a daily summary straight to the phone. Now, of course, we are talking about paper money, and this video is for educational purposes only. Now, let's jump into the actual steps. Yeah, I made this free cheat sheet with every command used in this video. Link in the description. If you know how to copy and paste, you can do this. Okay, step 1, Python. So first, let's find the command prompt and run it as admin. Now let's check for Python version. Copy and paste the first command. If it says 3.11 or higher, that's all set. If not, we can install the latest version from the Python org. Now once Python is ready, now let's install every tool the AI needs. Now give it a second. Step 1 done. Step 2, the AI. So we are about to install a large language model on this machine, and it's completely free. So in this case, we use Ollama. If you haven't downloaded it, install it like any other app. And now let's decide which AI model to install. So the simple rule is the bigger model thinks better, and it totally depends on the machine's computing power. It's mainly the GPU. And my recommendation is Google's Gemma 4 series. So this machine has 24 gig VRAM GPU. Let's go ahead with the 26 billion model for the AI reasoning. Okay, now let's copy and paste the Ollama language model test prompt. We ask the local model to explain Bitcoin in one sentence. And there it is. This is the local intelligence living on this machine now. No internet, no API calls, completely local and completely free to use. Step 2, done. Step 3 is actually super easy. So every project needs a home. We just need to create a folder on the desktop and give it a name. So mine is already created and I name it bot. Everything we do starts here. Now step 4, the AI's body, the Python bot file. There are 2 ways to get it. So first is to vibe code your own idea, and the second is visit the link in the description. So you want to have 2 files in the folder, the bot file and the settings file, ending with the env. Now let's open the env file with Notepad. Okay, so those are the settings to teach how the AI bot to behave, and more importantly, the Telegram bot token and chat ID. So this is how the AI messages us and how we control it remotely. So those 2 fields, that's our next step. Step 5, let's connect the AI to the phone. If you don't have already download or log into your Telegram account, open the Telegram and we search for boat father. Start a chat. Send it new boat. We give it a name. And now it also needs an ID. And be careful, this one needs to be a bot, B-O-T, at the very end. Okay, so now it returns us with a new boat. Now let's copy this token and paste it in the env file. Next is the chat ID. There is an easy way to do it. So we first click on the chatbot, start it, send it with any message just to wake it up. And then you can see the chatbot is here. And then we find another bot that's called user info. So we start a chat and then it returns with the ID, the chat ID. Copy this and paste it in the chat ID column. Now, two fields done. We save and close the file. Now, the rest settings of the env is already been tuned, so we don't have to bother. And here we come to the final step, step 6. We turn it on. Now let's bring the command center again. So the terminal now needs to know where the boat file is. So let's first find the boat file, right click on it, go to properties, and we copy this location, the file location. Now in the command prompt, we type cd space, paste that location. Now we are in. Now the moment we type Python, and then remember the whole boat file name. Press enter. So watches it, wakes up. Let's check Telegram. First message. Started. So now the computer has AI running 24/7. It never sleeps, it never panics. It just watches and thinks and tries to find the edge and place a paper trade. This is the whole build. Now let me answer what's on your mind. Can it trade with real money? Technically, yes. But listen, everything we built today is paper trading only. There is no risk. Live trading is different. It needs months of testing, refining, and proven strategy to work. Well, this is my first YouTube video, and the reason I made it is to show you how it feels like to have an AI working for you 24/7. A digital companion. That's the real point. So my question to you is, what would you build with a companion like this? And lastly, let me do the YouTube thing. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me for more on X. And happy semi-quincentennial.